Today we are making chicken pozole. So the first thing that we're gonna do is that we put some water inside this halfway. We are going to add the following to do the broth. We're gonna add it. This is approximately 1/4 piece of yellow onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 dry bay leaves, a pinch of oregano, of salt, another spoon of chicken consomme. Add the chicken. The type of chicken we're gonna use: chicken wings, drumsticks, thighs, and chicken back. It's very important because it's gonna give it the flavor. And I'm also gonna add right now some hominy. So for the hominy, this is the hominy. You can buy any kind you want, and you add it in. So 2 of these. In order to make it green pozole, I'm gonna, inside a pot, I'm gonna put some chicken broth. And inside that, you are going to add tomatillos. So I'm gonna add 5 tomatillos. Let the tomatillos in the pot until they're nice and soft. Okay, so now we're ready to make our sauce that's gonna turn our pozole green. So I'm gonna add the tomatillos. Careful. I'm gonna add my cilantro. Okay, so now I'm going to add 2 spoonfuls of pumpkin seeds. I'm gonna add, this is a jalapeno pepper. I took out the seeds and and took out the veins. So I'm just gonna add 1 first. And this is to make it green. I don't want it spicy at all. So if I taste it and I see it's not spicy, then I'll add the other half. I forgot that we had to add garlic, so I'm gonna add 4 more garlic and a piece of onion. It's not spicy, so then I'm gonna add the other half of the jalapeno pepper. So now I'm gonna add this green sauce. I'm gonna try to get all the green sauce I can inside. Oops. Okay, so I added 2 more spoonfuls of chicken broth, but it still needs some salt. So I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add a spoonful of salt. And another one of chicken consomme. Remember, it's also to taste too. I'm gonna taste it again just to make sure it's the way I want it. Add a little bit more of the chicken consomme. And another spoonful of salt. And see the nice color green? Okay, so now it's almost done. Now it's time for me to, I want to add some chicken breast. So now it's the time to put it in. And the reason why you have to add it at the end, because this one dries, the chicken breast dries up really fast and it cooks really fast. Okay, now it's time to see if this is ready. So I'm going to cut it right in half to see if it's ready. So it's ready. It's not pink anymore. It's ready to go. I'm gonna leave it, let it cool down for a while, and then I'm gonna shred it. Okay, this is done. Let's plate it, and it's time to eat. Just gonna add the hominy. I'm gonna add the chicken. Okay, and follow me. It's time to garnish our pozole. So now I'm gonna add some lemon juice. And this is to taste. I'm gonna add some cabbage. I have green cabbage, purple cabbage, some onion, some radishes.